Hello bakers! Today we're decorating flower cookies that can be made into a bouquet. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Design it, 3D print it, bake it, now it's time for decorating! I start by drawing an outline for the petals with a food marker. There are several types of lilies. The pink and white ones are my favorite. I want a light pink look on each petal, slightly blended into the white. Using a medium consistency royal icing, the technique is to outline and flood. I would make a little line in pink and then spread it into the white. You can use a toothpick or stylus to get the bubbles out and spread the icing around while it's still wet. If you need a royal icing recipe or a sugar cookie recipe, check the links below in the description. When doing the leaves, I wanted a slightly darker green color. When mixing the icing colors, I slowly added a drop of black to my green until it was more of a forest green color. Let half of the petal dry a little or crust before doing the other half. This way the center of the petals have a bevel look and are more realistic. After the flower dried overnight, I added some purple dots with a food marker. After making an outline for the rose, I picked some sections that were not touching, and outlined and flooded each one with a bright red royal icing. Let each section crust before doing the next. This is key to getting this look. If the icing is too wet, it will blob with another section. The tulip is the easiest of these cookies. I made a pink one and a light purple one. When you have all your cookies decorated and dry, put them together with some tissue paper into a fun bouquet. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Remember, the links for the 3D cutter files are below. Printing your own cutters is fun, and the possibilities are endless. Shout out to my good friend on Twitch, KeenKitchen. He does some amazing Dungeons & Dragons charity streams. His streams are always a fun adventure.
Or something purple smoke.
Guys, I'm prairie dogging.
I'm just soft serving the entire time. Quietly in my pants.
Oh, jeez.
That's nasty.
That's it for flower cookie decorating. Thank you for watching. Don't be nervous. It's just a flower, Sophie. It's pretty nails. Oh my god.
We talk LUL.
This is the other rose.
I bet she would just call them fully baked cream pies.
Oh my god. That is terrible.
Oh my god.
I almost dropped my damn cookie because I was laughing.